This is Saturday, August the 13th, 2016 at Christ United Methodist Church in the sanctuary. We're in the midst of our organ restoration. And on the pew are some of the smaller pipes, 2,100 pipes in the organ. These are some of them. These are some of the smaller ones. Only the top portion of these pipes actually produce music. And here to the left of the pulpit are other pipes, each with their own function. The largest pipes are behind the pulpit, against the wall. This is the work area. Dominic and Martina are taking things apart. There's more pipes laid out on the bell tables. The wooden objects in the back are resonators. Better look at the workstation. You can see all the pipes have been removed from the main body of the organ. The case is made of walnut, and it hasn't been open like this for more than 30 years. Keyboard and the foot pedals have already been upgraded and restored. Some of the electronic panels have been replaced. At this point, probably about 3 more weeks of work before it's completed. This is some of the interior. We're looking at the electronic panel that's new. And these slender pieces of wood here are, this is called the tracker action. So a closer look at the resonators. Like the pipes are smaller ones and bigger ones. And a different look at the largest pipes in the organ.